Hey guys, today we'll be solving LeetCode question 2 keys keyboard. So initially we are given one character and we have to perform two operations on the notepad for each steps. We can copy all the characters which are present on the notepad and then we can paste all the characters which we have copied. So we are given a number n, we have to get exactly NA on notepad by performing minimum number of steps permitted. So this is a very typical and easy DP question which comes under a concept of DP, which is known as minimum path to reach target. These kind of question have a predefined number of loops and like substructure of the solution. So if we solve enough question and practice enough, we'll get how to do it easily. For now, let me just explain how to solve it. So at first, we are given 3. We can start with only one character A. So to get the solution, we first copy this one character which is present on the notepad and then paste it. And then again, which we have copied earlier, we paste it again. So this was the solution for when the number of n was 3. Now let us think of the solution when number of n is 1. So when the number of n is 1, the minimum number of steps is equal to 0 because we don't have to do any operations. Alright, so actually now we have to calculate the number of operations to do when the number of steps is greater than 1. Alright, so okay, let me give you an example. Suppose we are told to find the minimum number of steps required to fill n number of A's, but currently we have only k number of A's on our notepad. So to now find the minimum number of steps required to fill the n number of A's, we come with the equation n divided by k. This will give the number of steps. And this number of steps should be integer, not a rational number. So if we try to find the recurrence relation, this is dpn. This tells us the number of steps required to fill n number of A's. So currently we have only k number of A's present, and by the equation n divided by k, we can find the number of steps required. So in this equation, n should always be greater than k, and n divided by k should be an integer. So if we see the solution, we have first taken a vector dp with n plus 1 indices initialized to 0. Since dp 1 is 0, we have not initialized it. So we start directly from 2 till n. We have set dp I to I because if we just copy one A and keep on repeating it, pasting it I number of times, we'll get the maximum number of steps, but we don't want maximum number of steps. So start with k is equal to 1, which means when we have n number of which means when we have I number of a's, then we start with least number of k's, like 1, and k should be less than I, and this is a recurrence relation. We have set a condition if I modulus k is equal to 0, which means if I divided by k is integer, then only we will perform this recurrence relation, which is dpi minimum of dpi comma dpk plus I divided by k. This is the equation which I have written earlier. So this should give our solution.